Hello, my name's Joshua from Josh the Fix-It Man, and today I'm going to be showing you how Wing Drone Delivery works. It is a drone delivery service provided by Walmart that delivers your food in under 30 minutes. Let's take a look at the app. As you can see, this order will be delivered in, if my camera will focus, 1 minute and 41 seconds. And as you can see, there's a little map, and as you can see, there is the drone. We're about to see it very soon. In a few minutes, we're about to see the drone come, and it should be coming from that direction there. As you can see, there it is. As you can see, it is right there, getting ready to deliver our order. As you can see, there's that little thing up there, and it's going to drop down, unhook, and coil back up into the aircraft. As you can see, we just got a notification. Your order has landed. And the drone is going to go ahead and fly back to the store. And there you go. And it is not a very loud drone either. It won't disturb you. Now that the drone has cleared from the area, we'll go ahead and take a look and see what's inside our order. And these are just totes. They're designed this way to be aerodynamic. So that way, because it doesn't have a cargo compartment or anything on the aircraft that it's held in. The tote is secured with no tape or adhesive. It just folds. This little clip here is what hooks onto the aircraft, and you open it pretty simply, and as you can see, there is our pasta. I hope this video was helpful and informative, and I'll see you in the next one.